here we are. There we go. Uh-oh, guys, we are... All right, so they got the 128. Yeah. Just as I thought, guys, the
Come on, I gotta check it out. All right.
yeah, just as I thought, guys, the... Actually, they got one here. 128 GB mini card. Okay. So we'll definitely save that. As we only got about 42 minutes of footage on this one, we're gonna have to save that one for probably the next 3 days.
Okay. Yes, sir. You welcome.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Is that a Walgreens card?
Yes.
Want to use the $5 in points?
Oh no, I'm gonna let it go until like I get 10 or 12.
$87.71.
You know what? I'll just take everything like that, no bags. I got a bike and a crate.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
And you too.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So.
Okay. Hi, how you doing?
Good. All right, guys. So here we are. Yeah, we're gonna do our. We're gonna do a wee bit of our planning right now for the trip. But yesterday, guys, I did a little bit of a plan, pre-plan, and basically we got to do 65 of the old mileages. Basically, we are going to this place here. Yeah, so we're kind of going to be traveling north, if you will, northeast, and then we're going to come up to traveling east, guys. So basically, if we start that, yeah, it's showing me 65 miles. It is showing us that it's gonna want to take us on a couple of scenic routes through the Harriet Tubman Bridge, the Hickory Hill United Methodist Church, but we're just gonna stay on point and not do any of these. Yeah, we're just gonna stay on 21 and then go over to the 17, make a right, and that's it. And that's all we're doing, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Beaufort or Beaufort, South Beaufort, South Carolina. Somebody corrected me there.